Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of turning this lovely piece of land into a vibrant farmers market with obstacle course. I'm Coach Ray, this is MantaRay Amphibics Spot, and this is what we've been up to this past winter.
We sailed across the seas and felt so insecure, but now the tide rolls in and we find our way to shore. Take a big step up, jump right in, feel the world vibrate right under our skin. Have full faith, gratitude, sing it with me, cause you're in the mood. Oh, oh, oh. You see the magic in our eyes. Oh, it radiates right through our minds. Oh, wanna be somebody like you. Whoa, wanna be somebody like you. Whoa, ba ba da ba 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 da da ba 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 da ba 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 da ba 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 da da ba 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 da ba 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 da ba 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 da da ba 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 da ba 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 da ba 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 da da ba 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 da ba. We feel the vibrations, they're rising, we want more. Tomorrow surely brings what we've been searching for. Take a big step up, jump right in, feel the world vibrate right under our skin. Have full faith, gratitude, sing it with me, cause you're in the mood. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You see the magic in our eyes. Whoa, it radiates right through our minds. Whoa, wanna be somebody like you. Whoa, wanna be somebody like you. Whoa. Right through our minds. Whoa, wanna be somebody like you. Whoa, wanna be somebody like you. Whoa, ba ba da ba 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 da da ba 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 da ba 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 da ba 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 da da ba 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 da ba 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 da ba 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 da da ba 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 da ba 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 da ba 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 da da ba 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 da ba.
One for every meter. Starts at 1 meter all the way to 48 there. That's on. So number 1, number 48.
Don't go away for too long. I sketch you, babe, I need yours. What I want. Give me the sweetest to go on.
Back in the day, you used to say that we'd never change just to have it all. But some people turn, it's a lesson I've learned. If you wanna go faster, you gotta be ready. Oh mama, yeah. Just to be lighter and not so heavy. And don't go away for too long. My sketchy babe, I need your peaches and cream's what I want. Give me the sweetness to go on. Sugar cane love, sugar cane love, sugar cane love. In the desert of your dreams, you'll find me in between two trees in the middle of an oasis, staring right up at the stars in the valley of your heart. Oh, oh. If you wanna go faster, you gotta be ready. Oh mama, yeah. Just to be lighter, not so heavy. Don't go away for too long. My sketchy babe, I need your peaches and cream's what I want. Give me the sweet
changes, feelings like the seasons. Autumn like an onion, summer leaving me unsure. My woman is a force to be reckoned with. Time and time again she proves she's not one to fuck with. She leaves me feeling like I've lost control, as if I hadn't really lost enough. But what is the saying? Life is for living. Sounds like some bullshit to me. Good old denial, good old blue in the face. Forever on trial, but it just might be my favorite place. My favorite place. My favorite place. Every day, every day, every day is a new day. Just keep on trucking. Every day, every day, every day is a new day. Just keep on trucking. Every day, every day, every day is a new day. Just keep on trucking. Every day, every day, every day is a new day. Just keep on trucking. Good old denial, good old blue in the face. Forever I try, but it just might be my favorite place. My favorite place. My favorite place.
Called an old schoolmate, born in '88. He's still getting stoned. We'd stay up too late just to infiltrate all the bars he'd know. And all the girls would say we're the cheaters. That's when we would say we're just dreamers. We're just dreamers. For the rebel days we will make our way home. For the rebel days, for the rebel days. We'll go back in time, tell you about '09 when we first hit the road. Yeah, we left with great set. We'd miss this place, the place that we called home. And all the mates we made, they were the greatest. Although memories fade, we'll still be famous. We'll be famous. For the rebel days we will make our way home. For the rebel days, for the rebel days. We will find our way to relive those days. So for the rebel days, for the rebel days. For the rebel days, we will make our way. For the rebel days, we will make our way. For the rebel days, for the rebels, for the rebels, for the rebels. For the rebel days, we will make our way.
So guys, that was part 2 of the MantaRay Amphibics Spot build. Covered building the toilets, the water stand, plugging in the septic tank, building the reception office. So guys, if you're looking for a fun time on the weekend, pull in. If you're looking to sell your farmers market stuff, your farmers market stuff, listen to me. If you're looking to sell your wares at the farmers market, come do an obstacle course. There's picnic areas, fishing spots, so you guys are more than welcome to come pull in, and we're looking forward to seeing you guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.